A cute and scary robot cake. That's what we are creating today. Hi everyone, my name is Harry Styles. Welcome to Koalipops. Let's get started. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. It helps my channel out and lets me know if you want to see more cute and scary cakes. Now in the community tab, I posted about this cake and I told you guys to help me name it and to give me a sentence which explains its backstory. And so the name I chose is Isabella. I like that name a lot. Now Isabella is getting herself a crumb coat. Because I want there to be really hard edges, I'm going to make sure that I straighten this out completely so that I have a nice flat surface to apply my fondant. Then I'm going to place it into the fridge for about a week. You're only supposed to put it in the fridge for probably like an hour, 2 hours maybe. To be completely honest, I was overwhelmed with coronavirus stuff. I was making sure that I had all my parents' supplies as well as supplies from my apartment. I don't want to have to go out probably for a week, 2 weeks maybe. I have a lot of stuff already. And so this cake was just like sitting in my fridge waiting to be decorated, and I didn't have time to get to it until very recently, which is totally fine. Now on the scary side of Isabella, I thought it would be cool if like on the inside she was kind of a cyborg. I'm cutting out some pieces where I know her eyes are gonna be, or one eye, and then I want to be able to see like half of her mouth. Now Isabella is a very nice robot who likes Pop-Tarts. I don't really agree with that statement. I think toaster strudel is like 100 times better, but alright, I'll go with Pop-Tarts. So to create Isabella, I'm just wrapping her with gray fondant. I'm gonna add a second layer of fondant onto the scary side so that it has a different color. Now one of the reasons that Isabella has a scary side is because people always called her cute. And she was so much more than cute. She hated it. They called her Robo-Cute. That's what they called her. And it wasn't like she wasn't cute. Ooh, Isabella was really cute. Look at those feet going on. Aren't those so precious? Isabella was really cute, but she was a genius. All aspects of her intelligence were overlooked by how cute she was. Oh, those tiny hands, man. And because of that, nobody took her seriously. Nobody even cared about what she had to say. It drove her insane. Ooh, but now with that smile, she doesn't look insane. The eyes aren't leveled. And when I'm making the cake, I don't know why, I can't see if they're leveled or not. It always looks leveled to me. Ooh, but Isabella, oh, you look so cute, Isabella. Now for this month, I'm going to be highlighting causes that help support people who are affected by the coronavirus, which is all of us. Now it's time to work on Isabella's scary side. Now the reason Isabella is a cyborg, which is half human, is because Isabella wasn't always a robot. She was a little girl. She was walking across the street to go to the Walmart to get some more of that strawberry Pop-Tart. And this guy, like riding an elephant, tramples her. A mad scientist sees all of this happening and realizes that he can save Isabella if he transfers her consciousness into the robot that he's been working on. He was able to save Isabella, but he didn't realize how bitter Isabella had become because she wasn't able to live her life out as a regular girl. And that bitterness, mixed with the intelligence that was given to her by her creator, turned her from genius to evil genius. And that's when she decided to paint herself red. And I know you've got like 2 pieces of fondant on this already fondant heavy cake, but that's okay, just peel it away when you eat it. Ooh, her skin tone's like green and yellow. Is that jaundice? Oh gosh. Yo, you need some Neosporin all over your body. You need to take a bath in some Neosporin. It was only when she revealed her true form that people began to take her seriously. And she hated it. So she decided to take over the world, to enslave all of humanity for the mistreatment that she experienced. So what did she make them do? She made them make Pop-Tarts non-stop. The global economy, there's just people working in Pop-Tart factories making Pop-Tarts for her. You never heard of toaster strudel, Isabella? The end. Such a happy ending. So usually when I have a double-sided cake, it's like one character with 2 sides. But I think that with this cake, it should just be the representation of the Robo-Cutie Isabella before and after she went crazy. So we get to see what humanity can do to a person slash robot. I loved creating this cake even though it took me like 2 weeks to finish it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Peace!